Schindler emphasized his own heroism after WWII.
While Schindler's List depicts the protagonist expressing regret that he didn't do more to aid the Jews, in reality, Schindler reportedly emphasized and even exaggerated his heroic actions, possibly to counteract any WWII accusations made against him.
Schindler's personal reputation was unsavory.
While Oskar Schindler was undoubtedly a hero to those he saved from concentration camps, his peers reported him to be narcissistic. In his widow Emily Schindler's memoir, he is characterized as an adulterous womanizer, and he reportedly had 2 children out of wedlock whom he largely ignored. Schindler's allegiance to Hitler's party was alleged to be inconsistent and was only acted upon when such a tie served his ends. Even decades after his passing, Schindler's legacy is still heavily divisive.
Schindler never saw the girl in the red coat.
In the film, the girl in the red coat is the catalyst for Schindler's moral transformation, but historically, this moment never happened. While he did witness a similar scene about a year later, and while that particular girl did exist, she wasn't part of the roundup Schindler witnessed in the movie. He eventually did undergo such a transformation, though it was much slower than depicted on screen.
Schindler's List was actually 9 separate lists penned by a Jewish man.
In Schindler's List, the frantic composition of the eponymous series of names Jewish people Schindler planned to save by sending them to his factory rather than concentration camps is a primary point of focus. This depiction, however, strays considerably from history. According to a Forbes review of Schindler's biography, Oskar Schindler convinced German authorities his enamelware factory was vital and that he needed trained workers. But Schindler did not author or dictate the list of who would go on the transport. The famed list was actually comprised of 9 different lists made over the course of several years, compiled largely by a Jewish man named Marcel Goldberg, a reportedly corrupt member of the security police. Schindler allegedly suggested names for the lists, but was largely unaware of which people he was saving.
Schindler aided the Third Reich's invasion of Poland.
In 1939, Hitler began plotting the invasion of Poland, an action which would eventually kickstart WWII. Key to the invasion was Germany's tactic of disguising their soldiers in Polish uniforms, an impossible feat were it not for the assistance of Oskar Schindler. According to his wife, Emily, Schindler procured and distributed the disguises. At this time, Schindler was a notable member of Hitler's party and, in fact, spied on Czechoslovakians for Germany in the 1930s.
Hey guys, thank you so much for your support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care.